Hello my lovely friends, this is my second intent with my GoPro underwater and you will see the result. It's still not perfect, but it's getting better and better. Hello, in the background are the surfers. This time we can see them. So by the underwater filming I have still a wrong angle, so you cannot see a lot of corals. And today there was a bit underwater traffic, so it was not crystal clear like you could see. But I'm happy with this footage, and here I'm meeting a surfer. Look to this.
And will you surf? You look like an adventurer with the head. Oh.
The waves today are not really strong, but when you are swimming and holding with the selfie stick the camera, it's even not so easy. But it's funny, nothing happened when you know exactly how to put your body into the wave, then it's no problem. I was filming with narrow, so I can also switch to normal and wide angle mode, what I will try the next days, because I could get more of my body in the landscape, but I think the angel to see always the background is not so bad in this case. I have good news, my girlfriend is coming and we vlogging together, so stay tuned for really wonderful videos together with her. You like the video, subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and stay tuned for more wonderful footage with Wilma.